Hello friends, good to have you today. Today we have a problem on indices, and the problem says simplify 36 raised to the power 1 over 2 times 64 raised to the power of minus 1 over 3 times 5 raised to the power of 0. Now, first thing first, let's identify this. That 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root. 1 over 2 is square root. 1 over 3 is cube root. 1 over 4 is fourth root, so on and so forth. Then another thing you also need to bring out is that minus, when you want to express this minus, here it is going to be expressed as 1 over, right? And again, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. You need to know that any number raised to the power, even if it is 10 million raised to the power of 0, the answer is 1. Okay, so let's move forward. So we have 36 raised to the power 1 over 2. So this is square root of 36. And what is the square root of 36? The square root of 36 is 6. How do you get that? A number that multiplies itself twice. One number that multiplies itself twice to give you 36 is what? 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. Then again, 6 raised to the power 64 raised to the power 1 over 3. Now, since the minus is expressed as 1 over, we'll write this as 64 over what? 3. So what do we have? We now have that 6 times, that is from the value here. Now, 1 over 3 is also what? Cube root. Remember we said 1 over 3 is cube root. So that means we have 1 over cube root of 64. Make sure you put your 3 there to tell you that that is what? The cube root. Then you move over to 5 raised to the power of 0. Remember, like I said, that any number raised to the power of 0, the answer is 1. So we have 1. So what is the cube root of 64? It means a number that multiplies itself 3 times to give you 64. Guess what? What is the number? The number is 4, right? Because 4 times 4 times 4 will give you 64. So we have 1 over 4 times 1. So 6 times 1 is what? 6, and times 1 is also. So we have 6 over 4. And of course, there is a number that can go into 6 and 4 without a remainder, and that is 2. So 2 here is 2, and 2 here is 3. So we have 3 over 2. Now, this 3 over 2 is an improper fraction because the denominator is smaller than the numerator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we change it to mixed fraction, right? Which is 1 whole number 1 over 2. So that is the answer to this problem.